Perimeter and area. Perimeter. The length of the boundary of a figure is called its perimeter. Find the perimeter of the figure. We will start from point A and add all the edges until we return to point A. The perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH plus HI plus IJ plus JK plus KL plus LM plus MN plus NA. Putting the values of different lengths, the perimeter of the figure is 72 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of its four sides. The perimeter of the rectangle PQRS is equal to PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Example, find the perimeter of the rectangular poster. Perimeter of the poster is equal to sum of all sides of the poster, which is equal to 20 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 20 centimeters plus 15 centimeters equals 70 centimeters. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangular poster is 70 centimeters. Perimeter of a square. The perimeter of a square is the sum of all its equal sides. The perimeter of the square MNOP is equal to MN plus NO plus PO plus PM. Example, find the perimeter of a square table 20 meters long. As all the sides of a square are of equal length, so the perimeter of the square table is equal to 20 meters plus 20 meters plus 20 meters plus 20 meters equals 80 meters. The perimeter of the square table is 80 meters. Area. The amount of surface occupied by a shape is called its area. Let us understand how to find the area of regular shapes. Example, find the area of the given photo frame if the area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Since 12 squares are covered by the photo frame, so the area of the photo frame is 12 square centimeter. Area of other figures. We need to follow the rules to find the area of some polygons. Rule 1. The area of a full square is considered as 1 square unit. Rule 2. The area of a half square is considered as half square unit. Look at this figure. Find the area of the figure if each small square has an area of 1 square centimeter. To find the area, count the number of full and half squares. Number of full squares is equal to 23. Number of half squares is equal to 6. Area of full squares is equal to 23 square centimeter. Area of half squares is equal to 6 into 1 half, which is equal to 3 square centimeters. Total area of the given figure is equal to 26 square centimeters. Let us now understand how to find the area of irregular shapes. We need to follow some rules to find the area of irregular shapes using the grid paper. Rule 1. The area of a full square is considered as 1 square unit. Rule 2. The area of a half square is considered as a half square unit. Rule 3. The area of a less than half square is considered as 0. Rule 4. The area of more than half a square is considered as 1 square unit. Example, find the area of the shape if each small square has an area of 1 square centimeter. To find the area, count the number of full, half, less than half, and more than half squares. Full squares is equal to 6, more than half squares is equal to 8, half squares is equal to 2, less than half squares is equal to 3. The area of the figure is equal to 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 equals 19 square centimeters.